Hello viewers, I'm an engineer Ayaz. So today I will teach you how to turn on and turn off light. Okay, so I'm talking about the electricity. So you can write a Python program to turn off and turn on the electricity. Okay, so basically Python is used for AI automation. You can say we can use Python in Arduino as well to switch on and off the devices. Okay, so actually I will by using ChatGPT, it will create within a minute a program and it will explain everything line by line. Okay, so just I will give a simple prompt. Okay, I write a Python programming to turn off and turn on the and explain line by line. So actually I wrote this here, write a Python programming to turn off and turn on the bulb. Okay, so explain line by line. So when I will give this prompt to ChatGPT, so it will generate a program you can see in front of you. So I will zoom it. Okay, so you can say yes, so this is the program that AI has generated within a minute. Okay, so you can say within a second. So actually it will take time to write a prompt. So when you will be good at prompt writing, then you can generate anything. So I will teach you everything. Artificial intelligence is too much important. It is emerging in every field nowadays. So within 5 years it will be in every field. So if you are working in freelancing, so you will obviously use artificial intelligence to if you stuck anywhere, then you can use artificial intelligence. Okay, so you should use in educational purposes. Thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe.